Have you ever opened your borehole tap and the water coming out looks brown, okay, or cloudy even, or even smells slightly metallic? This is something that many homeowners in Ghana experience from time to time. And when it happens, the first reaction is usually panic. People start asking questions like, is my borehole contaminated? Is the drilling company responsible? Or does this mean the borehole has failed? The good news is that in many cases, the problem is actually quite common and it can often be fixed. So in this video, I want to explain why borehole water sometimes appears brown, cloudy, or unpleasant, and what exactly you can do about it.
Are you looking to build your dream home in Ghana? Or are you building already? Would you benefit from regular site visits to monitor your building and receive regular progress reports? Well, if that's the case, and that's you, look no further. Asher and Gad Consultancy at your service. We offer the following services: electrical design, construction monitoring inspections, site progress reports, consultation for all items MEP, witnessing of testing and commissioning, periodic snagging, vetting of specialist subcontractors. We also report site activities to you to hopefully help you spend your money efficiently and much, much more. Get in contact for your building needs. Details on the screen. Asher and Gad Consultancy, making Africa home again, one family at a time.
First, let's talk about one of the most common causes: iron in the groundwater. In many parts of Ghana, underground water contains dissolved iron. When the water first comes out of the borehole, it may appear clear, but once it is exposed to air, the iron oxidizes. That oxidization process causes the water to turn brown or reddish. You might also notice stains in the bucket, storage tanks, or your sinks. This is known as iron contamination, and it is very common in groundwater systems. Okay, the borehole itself may be perfectly fine, but the natural minerals in the ground affect the water quality. Another common issue is sediment or fine particles entering the water. This can happen when a borehole is newly drilled. During drilling, a lot of fine soil and rock particles are disturbed. If the borehole is not properly flushed or developed after drilling, some of that sediment can remain in the water supply. So when the pump starts operating, you might see cloudy or muddy water. Usually, this improves over time as the borehole stabilizes and the water clears. A third possible cause is poor borehole construction in itself. If the casing, the gravel pack, or the screening system inside the borehole is not properly installed, fine sand or particles can enter the well. This can cause water to appear dirty or gritty. In some cases, you may even notice sand accumulating in the storage tanks. This type of issue requires professional assessment because it may involve correcting the borehole construction. I've seen sand at the bottom of people's water tanks. So let's talk about what can be done to fix these problems. If the issue is iron in the water, the solution is usually water treatment. There are filtration systems designed specifically to remove iron from groundwater. These systems oxidize the iron and filter it out before the water enters your household plumbing system. Once installed, the water quality improves significantly. Okay, if the problem is the sediment from a newly drilled borehole, sometimes the solution is simply proper flushing and development of the well. This involves running the pump for extended periods to remove remaining fine particles. A professional drilling company can perform this process if necessary. If the issue is related to borehole construction, then a borehole specialist may need to inspect the system. They may recommend installing additional screening, modifying the pump depth, or improving filtration at the surface. The key lesson here is that dirty borehole water does not always mean the borehole has failed. Not always. In many cases, it simply means the groundwater contains natural minerals or particles that require proper treatment. So if your borehole water suddenly looks brown or cloudy, don't panic. First, identify the cause. Because with the right approach, most water quality issues can be managed effectively, and a properly designed borehole system can continue supplying clean water for many years to come. I've showed you guys previous videos of customers water tanks with a lot of sand and dirt, some black dirt at the bottom of the water tanks, and these are some of the issues that cause it. So if you're having that situation, you need to address it. Find a quality borehole drilling company. If you contact me, I can recommend some and sort that problem out, because water is very important. You use it to cook your food, you use it, some people use it to cook their food, but it's easy to have a bath even. All right, so it's important. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was useful. As usual, like, share, subscribe, hype the video. From Guidance Chemist here, and from me, guys, Yebeshia. See you next time.